Rapidement, Nathalie, welcome.
Thank you.
Jean-Rico, en forme? Ok. Et welcome.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Comment est?
On m'a fait mal.
En forme?
On m'a fait mal. Yeah, on m'a fait oui.
Non, c'est Nathalie Augustin.
Nathalie Augustin. Nathalie avec un H.
Où sont ici? Vous faites ici?
Well, je fais ici, Boston.
Oh!
Boston, oui.
Boston, soit du Florida.
Well, long story. À cause de l'amour, maman, you know, quand je vivais avec ma tante, moi, Frere, il fait dire celle qu'on a dit, okay, forget it. Brand new start. We're going to go down to Miami and create a new home.
Combien de temps tu fais Boston?
I want to say 12 ans.
Oh.
I've been here more than half my life.
Quitté Boston longtemps,
yeah, but toujours get famille in Boston, toujours get papa, grand-mère, nièce, neveu, moi, yo tout là toujours.
You go back, you go visit them sometimes?
All the time.
Jodia, et nous allons présenter une nouvelle musique, mais avant ça, il faut que nous parlions où et vous faites Boston. Descendez ici, qui continue qui l'école où passez?
I went to North Miami Senior High School. I went to Thomas Jefferson Middle School. So TJ, home of the Jaguars, and then North Miami Senior High School.
Did you go to college?
I tried.
Okay.
You know, for college, just the basics. But tellement music was my passion. Una classe. Et puis c'est musique ou dans notre tête. Professeur parler, you're thinking creatively, artistically. So I'm just like, all right. Bon, ma tante moi pas qu'à fâcher avec, lui pas qu'à dire pas t'essayer. I'm pas un nurse, un docteur, un avocat.
Music. Et parlez-moi de première fois et première rencontre. Qui l'a commencé à prêter attention à la musique? Parce que l'un de monde venu là là.
Yes.
But qui l'a commencé à prêter attention à la musique?
Depuis l'homme fait, I mean, I know that it sounds cliché to say, but depuis l'homme fait, maintenant en famille qui entertainers, models, moun ka fait qui j'ont dit Haitian combi, Haitian folklore dancing. Papa m'non yon ben, monok mo yon ben, maman te kon coup de rad. So all this time, I mean, entertainment has always been within me. Nous te gagné un petit, m'songe avec cousin moi un petit groupe, nous te gagné musique Alain Kavi, nous te pensé que nous te Georgie, nous te Maggie, n'a chanté Zen. So, you know, since depuis l'MT petit.
Vous levez au jeune toute bagaille là, vous levez nos familles artistiques, vous tout fait pour chanter, pas de monde qui te compte ça.
I mean.
C'est toute famille à lever.
C'est famille, you know what I mean? C'est famille. C'est toute famille.
Toute famille.
Yeah.
Très bien. Getting serious, taking music serious. Naki à qui l'âge vous avez décidé, you know what? I have to do music.
Okay, so qui j'aime te dire? Elementary school, m'a performé, m'a fait auditions pour perform. Even middle school, you know, I'm thinking my chorus teacher, rest in peace to Miss Scott. You get the way on bagay on them women ki li weke, okay, this girl wants to sing, she wants to perform. So even from, you know, being young, what more them depuis qu'il aime really serious avec music, this has always been
your passion.
Always been my passion. I can't give you a start date from day one to now.
When did you Vous êtes toujours aimé, mais à quel âge, qui l'autre après le prendre, tu vas dire, you know what, I have to do it. Finally, you like, it's music.
Je songe, I want to say 18 ans.
Oh,
18 attendez, ma bonne histoire, American Idol. You laisse ça, ça télé American Idol, t'es commencé, I was like, okay, you know what, this is it, I'm going to American Idol, I'm going to meet Simon, I'm going to meet Paula Abdul, you know, The process is not.
Did you try?
Yeah, I did try. And
what happened? I'm détail.
Oh, bon Dieu, ça passe.
I
mean, it's a lot of people to go against. Et puis tout, j'en process là, c'est pas comme si immédiatement ou aller devant juge, on chante paquet de monde, thousands and thousands and thousands, gain en, qui j'en dis, booths. Booth number 1, 2, 3 to 20. Donc, Ushita awal devan munyo, yo discardeo. Thank you or no thank you.
Even so, before you open
even before you get to go before Paula and Simon and Randy. So, you know, mal devan munyo, it just, they said no thank you.
How did you take that?
That was definitely a learning experience. Définitivement ouvrizier pour me faire connaître que this is going to take work. It's going to take time. It's going to take commitment, dedication, consistency. And to get, okay, it was definitely a learning experience of the realities of what music is. Nous devant télévision, yo belle, y a chanté. You think it's an instant. It's instant, something that happens instantly. So that was a learning experience for me. For sure.
Because about to buy a good zero, you know what? This is not for me.
I'm pas capable. What do you mean? Si c'est un bagay qui non son, si c'est un bagay qui non cœur, si c'est un bagay qui non mind, how do you leave that? How do you get disappointed? Peut-être un seul monde, un seul groupe dit ou non.
Okay. Was that one of your first your big step early on?
No, actually, well, okay, not parler de collège, j'étais fin high school, j'étais essayé collège là, j'étais all right, this is not for me. J'étais gagné.
À quoi dire collège pas for, pas de café A, pas de café B, FCL mon tap faire. Was it you a smart student? Why wasn't it for you? Ou bien was it?
Parce que, you know, I needed to get to the point of where I wanted to go.
You wanted to be a star. Say it. You wanted to be a star.
Music.
Oh, that's.
I wanted to
and
do
you
music.
Want to stay. You wanted to focus on music. Just do music.
And just do music. Donc, même après ça, I went and then I tried out for Showtime at the Apollo. But to get on l'autre groupe qui were on bagay in me. Donc après collège, they approached me. You know, hey, you know, Nathalie auditioned. She didn't quite get on the Showtime at the Apollo, but we do see her being a part of another venture on l'autre bagay. Donc, she agreed. So from 18 to maybe I was 19, 20, I've fait background singing pour groupe ça. Just doing tours all around the East Coast, doing backgrounds for them. And that's what I did.
How was that experience?
Amazing. Where different groups, different people, moun ki apprécie music in all different genres. Amazing. Seul bagay ke moi regret, c'est just no moment I didn't really looking back at it now, Mabzi, amazing. But in that time frame, in that moment, I wish I would have really recognized what was in front of me then.
That was jeune, maybe.
T'étais jeune.
Et quand même, okay, experience, ou fait une belle experience.
Yeah, absolutely.
Was that one of your biggest? Or?
M'ta dit que tout bagay was a great experience. Tout bagay was a great opportunity. Définitivement. For sure. Après ça, c'est just, you know, life happens. Life takes a little bit of a turn. Et puis, mettez musique sous reste.
Welcome back, everyone. So far, moi, mon a bien parlé. It's a cover, ok? Vous ne connaissez, c'est pas ça, c'est pas original. Et c'est un cover qu'elle est. Même pas c'est bien exécuté, bien chanté. Ça montre talent, range vocal, l'habilité, ça le café. Nah, welcome.
Thank you.
How you feel? You good?
I feel good, yeah. Diamonds.
Dans toute musique qui gagne la pour que ça c'est ça tu choisi pour faire cover de lui.
Can we rewind a little bit more before Diamonds? Okay. So how did we get to Diamonds? Il y a un moment que j'ai buy musique on tea break.
Why?
you know, just
tired.
You know, life happens, but it's not about the fall, it's how you get back up.
That's good.
Right? It's how you get back up.
Combien de temps tu prends off?
Too long. Trop temps. Trop temps.
How did you know it was time to get back?
I knew it was time to get back. I was in denial about that it was time to get back. Gen paket moun kap di Nathalie pou ki sa ou pa chante, pou ki sa ou just ret la kay, wap ede lot moun, wap fe background vocals. Te fe avant ça m'te fait en background vocals pour Petit Lunette. Moun ap di gade ki jon wap prete derrière, you know, wap chante pour moun. It's time for you to get to the forefront of things. So
was it something you always wanted to do?
Always.
Why not the Boogie Sour? But
I mean, life takes over. You know what I mean? The success wasn't happening. The immature part of me, senti the success is not happening fast enough. It's not. I feel like I can give excuses all day, right? It's not. I don't have a real excuse. It just.
Finalement, qu'est-ce qui t'a motivé to step up to say, you know what, I'm gonna go at it now. I'm gonna go hard.
Gagne Daphne Paul, Bosses in Motion. Hey. Lem ta fait un petit gig pour Petit Lunette. Il t'a fait un Facebook Live. Living côté l'abdim. Nathalie, what are you doing? You're not meant to be in the back. Mac Media Services. Mac is just like, ou gen yon talent, pou ki sa wap chita sou li. Donc Daphne said, nope, Nathalie, we're going to move you, we're going to get you going. Rete chita nou an kwen, pa pou. Own what God gave you. Don't deny what was given to you. So Daphne fait connection pou mwen, Filou Beats. Daphne di, ki chan ke ou reme, like that's the most impactful to you, ki feel, you know.
What moves you?
What moves you? Kisak, you know, so I was like, you know what? I'm going through my list of songs, no mind where. Et puis, just the Diamonds, c'est just, on chante que, I don't know, it just has, on Tiwagay Suli, so I was like, I want to do the cover to Diamonds. I want to do cover to Diamonds. Back on it, you know, Rihanna, she's a beautiful woman. Her music is amazing. Her music, pagin eken genre, ou pa ka mette Rihanna no on boîte. So I just thought this is an amazing person she was just amazing to take off with. Shout out to Rihanna.
And then, how did you make it happen? You had the idea, you're like, this is what I'm gonna do?
Yes.
How was the process? What was the next step?
What was the next step? What was the next step? Donc, again, I had 3 songs in my mind. I asked the people in my circle, what do you think about this song? And, you know, I'm open to criticism, good or bad. I just considered everyone's opinions about mwile kouzem, mwile zami, mwile matatmwe. Gyon kote mwede matatmwe, mwile cover en musique américaine, but mwile mette zouk souli, mwile mette kompa souli. Konya, mdi ki chante ou kwe que génération ça t'a apprécié. Il dit Michael Jackson's Heal the World. I said Michael Jackson Heal the World. I said okay, my son, it's okay. But not tout Monday. Rihanna was the top pick. So I considered not just myself, but I considered everybody in my circle, and I think that their opinions definitely matter. So that's what I went with. So, you know, Daphne again, she
What did she call? Qui moun ki tawal travail musique là?
Filou Beats. Filou.
Was it someone who te kon déjà ou bien présentation faite, and then how?
Presentation qui m'te fait. Et puis, you know, yo di meu artiste gadel, est-ce que you ka, you know, give a help?
Ou pas di j'aime tant de so fait déjà, comme c'est premier bail qui me va le faire. Or what?
This was. It helps to know people sometimes in this industry. Donc, you know, ça c'est j'en ai fait. You know, he checked me out. Li we ki qualité moun mwe just based on my Instagram page at that time. Mke mse yon moun ki artistic.
Okay.
Et puis li di, all right, let's make it happen. Let's see what comes out of this. Et puis le temps de li di, wow.
Was that your first like original recording? Or you done that before?
That, well, it's a cover song.
Yeah.
It's a cover song.
Est-ce que c'est première musique qu'on recorde?
No music genre haïtien, yes. But avant ça, m'ta fait music for the American side of things.
Okay.
So.
And then, rentré, how long did it take you?
I want to say, you know, the pandemic definitely had something to do with this process. Lo shita ou gen tan pou penser nan mind ou, it gives you time to think about ki kote ou ta remeye versus where you really are. So, the pandemic lante commencé, it was like, all right, Nathalie, you can run, but you can't hide. So, when did we start? Unfortunately, I want to say March. April. Yeah, I was like, Nathalie, you know, musique là, talent là, wap chita là, wap fait rien, wap got to télévision, you know, wap.
It's time to move.
It's time to move, girl. It's time to get going. So, that's when it started.
Made it. If you name 3 artists you would like to compare yourself to, or you would like people to compare you to, comme dans toi monde, ou t'as aimé puis comparer avec eux?
I would like to think that tout artistes is special in their own way. M'pa kwa ke m'gen eken comparison in this moment. M'gen artiste ki m'ta reme travay avek yo.
Okay.
But I can't compare myself to another artist right now.
Who would you like to work with? A qui m'en reme travay?
Kenny Haiti, Kenny Haiti. Oh, call me. Fanny J.
Okay.
I love her voice. I would love to do something with her. And in this moment right now, I think the amazing Felicia Ross, of course, she's the obvious. But those are the 3 right now that
you would like to.
It would be amazing to do something with them.
Okay. So pour te ba nou jodi a son cover.
It's a cover.
Do you have on a nou va regarder est-ce qu'on travaille vrai, est-ce qu'on prépare pour business là vrai?
Okay.
Pour dans business là faut pas faire cover seulement. You got to be creative, you got to bring your own. Are you working on any music?
I am working on music. I am, you know, the creativity never stops. Di pa jam si spun. Still songs and projects that I'm working on at this very moment, and I'm happy to present in this very moment a couple with my supporters right now. So.
How do you describe your music? What do you want to do?
Lem tan de musique jodia. On bagay that I faced a lot. Lem tap ekri, lem te nan studio. Kompon mwen. Map tan de musique na HMI lan, epi I feel like we need to bring musicality back. Moun chante pou yo just chante. Map tan de musique, I'm hearing for bass, I'm hearing for guitar, I'm checking for all these things, I'm checking for harmonies. I'm tan de tout bagay. Lem tap prezante musique point devant lot moun, it was take your harmonies down. It's too much. Me take my harmonies down. I grew up in music. My chorus teacher taught me how to read music, how to hear harmonies. So let me incorporate ça dans musique pam pour HMI là. J'ai senti que we need to bring that musicality back. We all can sing oohs and ahs. We all can do that. But can you really feel, understand, hear music? Do you hear the stacks? Do you hear the harmonies? Do you hear the frequencies? These are things that I would like to bring to the HMI, and I would like for us to. We are a creative culture. Our musicality can be amazing if we allow it. Donc c'est ça m'ta bring in my music, and hopefully it can be a platform for the other artists. I admire Fanny J parce que le m'attendait. Her
Who are you working with? In this moment
right now, I have several producers that I'm working with. For this particular track that we're going to be hearing soon, I worked with Mo and Frank from M&F Productions. Hey guys. I have Hassan Beats. He's from Boston. as well. M'gen chante ke m'gen avec Tia Walt k'ap vini too. So it's several amazing producers and engineers in the back scene of everything. So,
are you ready to give them a little taste?
Yes. No. Yes.
Musique ça. Nous allons faire mon yon antikal dans son gen k'ap vini.
Yes.
What's the parle de musique ça?
Okay, so going back to what we said before, m'te commencé écrire, chanter encore when the pandemic started. Ou pour kontou, the name of the song is called Isolé, isolation, quarantine. This is a time, at the time when I wrote the song, it was just like, this is a time to let love magnify, to triple, you know, day in and day out. We're all working a 9 to 5. We don't have time to be with our loved ones. It's just work. Well, now in this pandemic and in quarantining, it gives you time to really focus on your loved one and just be about that person and just soaking them in. So that was the inspiration behind the song. I wrote it. Moi-même qui écrit.
Mélodie, c'est où?
Mélodie, c'est moi-même. Moyo, c'est moi-même. Production, là, c'est MNF Productions, baby.
MNF Production. And musique ça c'est isolé.
Isolé.
On a un peu de monde qui était isolé vrai. But let's go, let's check it out. Et this song is coming out. Et ça son teaser, on preview qu'il y a banou. And then musique la vient. On font garder. Ça c'est isolé. Nathalie Augustin. Here we go. Yeah, vidéo a un bel bec là-dedans.
Thank you.
Dès que ça musique la va aller. Parce que me garder ça j'aime dire est-ce que c'est ça zo moi bon moi dès que ça texte ça parler s'il te plaît
fais-moi oublier ça d'ailleurs nous café ben l'amour pito si mon la ta ouvri si problème yo fini I never leave you I wouldn't leave you I need you I couldn't leave you no.
Isolé.
On va bien expliquer.
Nathalie Augustin. Quelle est la vidéo absolue?
March 9th. Okay.
You said March 9th?
March 9th in 1 week. Tuesday, March 9th.
The video is coming out?
The full video will be out March 9th.
How do you feel? This is gonna be ça pour business panois dans milieu combat. Ça première musique officielle originale.
Yes. Yes.
Qui j'en sens tout même réaliser le projet ça parce que il y a longtemps you've been wanting to do that.
Yes.
You took a break. You did your thing. You did back. You for choral pour monde.
Yeah.
And now you're stepping to the front of the line.
To the forefront of everything.
Explain feelings are.
Of course, it's a nerve-wracking process. That's what que moun bien recevoir. That's what que moun from tant que artiste seriously. Artiste serious. All right. Above anything else, m'kone que si demain I followed my dreams, I pursued my dreams, and you never let anybody tell you what you can or what you can't do. If above anything else, so again, c'est première fois in this genre of music. I just hope that I get the love and reciprocation from my people.
It's not gonna be easy, no, for travail. Non, ça nous pas faire cadeau.
Yeah.
Comme c'est premier musique, et l'offre musique ou pas, j'aime qu'on qui ça va faire. Et qu'à marcher, va marcher. Si ça va marcher, qu'est-ce qu'on va faire?
Si ça va marcher, I'm still gonna keep going. I'm still gonna keep going.
Okay. Ou déterminé, you're gonna keep trying until.
I'm not gonna say keep trying. Le music, genre music, it's just about doing you and to keep putting out what makes you happy. Period. Nothing more, nothing less. Ça c'est un mot.
Depuis ou content, on va continuer. Et March 9.
March 9.
Isolé. Abveni. Après isolé, est-ce que you have anything else pour travail? Ou bien quand il y a la focus à tête sur isolé, ou après mettre le dehors and then you're gonna start working.
Exactement. The focus is isolé, but you know, it doesn't stop. The grind doesn't stop. Donc toujours gain l'autre projet that's still moving. with that. M'bal gen yon opportunity pour perform isolé pour faire catalogue là at Truth Lounge. So I hope
that's in March.
That's in March 19th, Friday, March 19th.
I'm not getting connection. Music là beaucoup sorti, ou get a gig.
I'm grateful, man. I'm grateful.
You got a gig already.
I know. And you know, I'm just grateful and humble for opportunity, and I'm excited.
March.
Friday, March 19th. At Truth Lounge.
You're gonna hit the stage.
I'm gonna hit the stage.
Avec Kata Birthday Bash.
Yep.
Gabel will be performing.
Exactly.
Wapla. Et puis.
Et avec l'autre artiste.
T'as bien pris l'autre monde.
Yes.
Mais au même Wapla.
No. I love this stage.
Est-ce que vous montez pendant que chanter micro à couper, micro à problème, ça va faire.
What you talking about? You keep going. Ma prele pour mon derrière, capitaine.
Vous déterminé?
I'm determined.
Qui compte t'as aimé? Qu'est-ce que t'as aimé réaliser dans la musique hispanoise?
Again, my goal is pour nous take our music non l'autre façon, where we really pay attention to the musicality of things. Mba tout moun respect dans musique, but gen bagay ki m kontan de, you know, n'importe moun ka leve pi di yo ka chante.
Oh, now making music is easy.
It's easy, right? M'vle m'ta for the real musicality to come back.
On va parler, continuer parler comme ça. On va prendre pile coup de wash dans la business là, même. Ou pas comprendre ça.
Non. Ou ap di moun pa poem? Moun pa disagree?
No, nobody's gonna disagree. You just gotta, your work gotta speak for it.
Yeah.
That's what it is. But say, if you stand behind that, anything that you put out, you gotta be consistent. You know what? Parce que parfois, il y a des gens qui font ça cap marché. What's popping, what's out there.
Right.
So you don't see yourself like that.
I'm thinking, why can't we do both at the same time? Keep it popping, but keep it genuine. Keep it real. Keep the music there. Don't lose it. Because if it wasn't for the music, you wouldn't be popping.
Qu'est-ce que tu as réalisé pour 2021 pour marquer l'année?
M'pa mettre on sel bagay sous les. I mean,
musically, not musically. So that I realize in 2020 for you to consider it being a good year for you, a good start. I know you have big goals, but avant even aller for again step by step that you can take in order for you to make it. Qu'est-ce que I realize?
I mean, l'état belle si on monte konem on a first name basis. By the time that 2021 is over, est-ce que connaît Nathalie? Oh, oui, on connaît Nathalie. Ça qui te fait Diamonds, ça qui te fait isolé. Just something small like that.
Just gotta work at it.
You just gotta work at it.
Nathalie, besides music, what do you do?
I work. You're talking about
what do you do besides music? How do you pay the bills? Because right now music is
bills. I do work for local government. Yes.
Okay.
I do work for local government.
What do you do for fun when you're not working and you're not doing music? What kind of activities do you like to do?
Well, you'll be surprised if it's not music. I'm such a homebody.
Stay home and listen to music is for fun.
Stay home, read like I'm wearing, and I in real life.
When you have a free day, you have a Saturday for free.
Yeah.
Free Saturday, what do you do?
Lakai.
On Saturday?
I'm serious. Et tout bon way because I'm really get moment where I can really be an introvert. M'pas sorti. Yo m'ka di oui, relève nous ba sorti l'autre samedi k'ap vini, oui, m'boale. Et puis là yo relève. What about the next Saturday? You know what I mean?
Excuses. Excuses. But
nous va faire inviter. Non, on va continuer à inviter. M'a vini prochaine fois.
So when you go out, what do you do? Do you do movies? Do you also faire cinéma? Ou faire théâtre? What do you?
Okay. Moi me manger. I love food. So bon manger, bon bel restaurant qui gain music, and I'm good.
What's your favorite food? What you like? What's your taste bud? What you like?
I mean, my favorite Haitian food, légumes.
Légumes à viande ou bien sans viande?
Légumes avec crabe, lambi, Crabe, lambi. Petit pièce bœuf, tout petit.
Vous aimez dire?
Légumes sans sauce pois.
You don't like sauce pois?
Moi, mais sauce pois, mais pas quoi, d'après moi-même, si vous mangez légumes, ou besoin juste the effect of the légumes. Légumes du riz blanc avec zaboka.
So, according to you, soit manger légumes pour bien manger légumes là, ou pas mélanger dire.
Sans interruption. Pas besoin pour sauce pois. Without sauce pois, it has to be. You need to taste the berégène, carotte là, tout bagay. Sauce pois interrupts that. Of course, but avec zaboka.
Zaboka.
Yes. Avec jus mango.
Jus mango?
Yeah.
I don't eat mango, so.
Oh, wait a minute. What do you mean you don't eat mango?
No, that's not a food. I don't eat mango. Mango juice, anything that have mango, I don't like.
Mango, that is essential in our culture.
Yeah, but
mango, oui.
Yeah, I was just.
Hey.
Mango. So
okay.
Bon petit jus papaye, mon petit jus grenadier. Regarde mango en pile.
I love mango. Ou c'est premier monde qui parle mango.
No, that's not something that I like.
Ou tu parles jus mango.
I don't eat mango at all.
Dis tout.
No, they will get mango. Bah ouais, zaboka, oui.
I know you lying.
Non, pas un lying, même.
Oh my God.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can cook.
What can you cook? Bah parler des spaghettis, non? Bah parler de manger sérieux.
Non, manger, bon, if God permits, ma fait un légume pour.
Ah, il me gâte tes goûts bouche moi là.
What you talking about?
Là, c'est bon, une sorte de légumes, c'est pas qu'il me faut là-dedans, oui.
Faut que nous fassions une compétition avec légumes.
Ah, ou pas dit.
What?
Oui.
What?
Ou pas dit.
Ou pas connaître. Ou pas connaître. Ils sont faits. Ou les gens qui mangent les légumes là.
Ils sont faits. Quel débat ou pas? Quelle technique ou pas qu'on pour faire les légumes là?
Parce qu'ils n'ont pas fait Haïti.
Non, il y a des techniques ou pas qu'on.
Stop playing with me. Are you kidding me? Bon, everything I do is based on my Haitian culture. Period. People adopted the way of my Haitian culture than the American way.
Why
of
is
things.
that?
Because it's more natural, organic. It's. I love being a Haitian American, but it's just the Haitian way of doing things. The natural way of doing things that keeps us strong.
Have you been to
That's
Haiti?
why we are resilient people.
Haiti déjà?
Yes.
When was the last time you went to Haiti?
The last time I've been to Haiti, it was... When was it? I want to say maybe 2 or 3 years ago.
Tes parents sont sortis à Haïti?
Jérémy?
Jérémy, pas Tom, mais pas comme ça?
Yeah.
Pas comme ça.
I love Tom Tom. That's with okra. Okra and flour.
Yeah, avec qui j'ai Tom là qui ça? Kalalou.
Kalalou?
Yeah. Moi j'ai Tom do.
And you dip it in there and you...
Ah bon, voilà, mbolégué. Nathalie mbolégué. How can Kijam when you can connect avant you getting started? How can, because you're very fun.
Thank you.
I'm on stage.
Thank you.
I'm the 19, I don't know, depending on my schedule, I might try to make it since it's Kata birthday. Do you love là? Pour moi, I would like to, pour moi, gens sur stage là, are you fun? Are you?
It would be a pleasure. Sutala.
Okay. How can they stay connected to you? How can they stay in touch with you?
Right now, I'm mostly heavy on my Instagram, Nathalie Augustin official.
Comment écrit Nathalie?
Nathalie avec un H, Nathalie.
Et plein en créole, non, un show créole, et plein non en créole. Nathalie Augustin en créole.
Nathalie
Augustin en créole.
Nathalie
Augustin en créole. Non, ça pas bien pour. Non, Nathalie, on appeler Nathalie en créole. Nathalie Augustin en créole net, sans anglais baladel.
Exact. Nathalie what do you mean?
Nathalie Augustin.
Official.
No, spell it for me.
Oh.
En créole, sans anglais baladel. Pour moi, c'est qu'on a alphabet créole.
Ok, mal dit une funny story. Vous connaissez qui j'aime connaître alphabet en créole? Chanter risqué.
Non, aucun n'a qu'à chanter, mais pas qu'à épeler Nathalie, moi en créole.
Can I say it in English, please?
Non. Ça y est test là. Il dernier puis gros test. Bon, la première fois me son test dans l'interview.
N-A-T-H-A-L-I-E.
Augustin.
A-U. G-U. S-T-I.
Pourquoi? Non, you're cheating.
Ça, professeur, a dit.
Ouais, ça va là. Et si mon yo bien réciter l'alphabet, yo ka dit enchanté. But you encore, it's Nathalie Augustin.
Official.
Officiel ou bien officiel?
Official. In English. O-F-F-I. Oh, come on, Wilfrid.
No, I'm just asking.
O-F-F-I-C-I-A-L.
Nathalie Augustin official on Instagram.
It's on Instagram, and that's really.
Why are you not on Facebook?
Nathalie Augustin on Facebook.
Okay, but
I'm getting there with social media.
What about YouTube?
YouTube, Nathalie Augustin Music. Merci en fait. Nathalie Augustin Music.
They can subscribe. When they go to your YouTube, qu'est-ce que you have?
You have joined my cover for Diamonds. Et puis mettez-moi the lyrics pour les gens parce que j'ai mon cap dit, you know, ma comprendre mot qui ça va dire. I'm like, what do you mean you don't understand what I'm saying? So there's the lyrics for Diamonds and the Diamonds video itself, the cover video.
Si mon yo sur Instagram, what qu'est-ce que you have? Si garçon yo sur Instagram, est-ce qu'il y a une bagarre qui vous fait plaisir? Do you post pictures, videos? What do you get? Ou bien son page blank?
Non, il pas blank. But it's public. Mon yo qui vle garder. It's there for.
Are you socially active? Do you post daily? Do you post weekly? How often you post on social media?
These days I do post maybe every other day. If it's not on the news feed itself, in the stories.
Okay.
In the stories, social media is a job to keep up with, you know. So I try.
Encore Nathalie Augustin official on Instagram. You can check it out. On YouTube it's Nathalie Augustin Music. And Facebook Nathalie Augustin. She's very nice. Moi energy. Encore Abdul welcome. But in this business you gotta work hard.
Yeah. Absolutely.
The competition it's tough, especially being a female in this business. You need tough skin to deal with it. So I wanna welcome you. And then you said on March
9th, I will release the video for Isolé, the full video, and then March 19th, expect for me to hit the stage.
March 9th, promise us you're gonna send it to us pour nous partager le bureau because the audience d'arriver well. Et puis comme nous font pile jour, les d'arriver, m'invite au bac. Pour nous dans des musiques là, pour nous griller.
Et puis ma porter légumes là, m'attendre pour légumes.
Non, ouais, supporter légumes là, interview à pas fait parce que supporter légumes là, si vous portez légumes là le pas goût, qu'on a là m'a obligé de dire mon le pas goût, ça m'a gâté, m'a pas content.
Mark my words, chérie, I make good légumes et puis me fait bon du riz blanc, c'est pas du riz pâte non? Bon du riz blanc.
Du riz collé ou est-ce que du riz à grainer?
No, baby, it's nice. The part, you know, it's not a mu. It's nice. I make good textured dili. I was raised by some strong Haitian women now.
Bataille me fait manger, parce que si manger pas bon, m'a fâché, interview pas belle, fanatique pas content, on a mal vinn parler mal devant moun là.
Pas occupé. Don't worry. Ou mettre critique devant tout le monde, devant toute audience. I have no worries, none. I make good légumes. Good. Okay. Okay, let isolé.
March 9th. Isolé, on va un petit calme isolé encore. Cap fini. Et pour que vous ayez une idée, March 9, Isolé is coming out. Nathalie Augustin, abonnez avec elle, Nathalie Official on the platform. Et connectez avec elle pour que vous connaissiez les musiques qui sont sorties. Mais nous goûter un petit calme encore. 9 mars, bonnet. Naptan Isolé. À qui nous travaille vidéo?
Directeur is Anton Anderson. C'est un directeur du word of mouth.
Okay.
Et puis il fait l'autre bagaille, but no genre américain. And I was just like, let's work together.
Très bien. Thank you for stopping by.
Thank you for having me so much. Thank you.
tell them people where can they stay connected because I want them to follow you. D'abord, besoin pour nous faire un petit message à Nathalie, fait qu'on est dans le show.
Please.
Check in inbox parce que feedback ça est réellement important. Et pour le cas où les neufs, les vinales qui me s'engoulent là, qui jamais désapprouvé, c'est fait le qu'on est n'abtonne. Nathalie, where can they follow you?
You can find me on Instagram. It is Nathalie Augustin Official. Nathalie avec un H, Augustin pas un E après non. Nathalie Augustin Official. YouTube, Nathalie Augustin Music, and on Facebook, Nathalie Augustin.
The cover is on your YouTube?
The cover is on my YouTube.
How is it doing? That's
you know, considering that this is me just taking off recently, the feedback has been amazing. But expect the good response that I've gotten so far. So I'm just excited and appreciative that Muna take from their time to just even listen to it. So
I love the way you're doing music. You're doing music because you love it, you enjoy it, and you're just doing you.
Thank you.
I like that. Welcome. Et puis m'a quitté nous avec Diamond. Encore follow Nathalie Augustin on the platform. Bon petit message bali. Official pour nous capable faire connaître nous te voir dans show. Thank you everyone. Rendez-vous à demain.